Hello, average Shalenu man. Hello? Hello, hello. Dude, I was literally here. I was literally here on time, but like the YouTube thing wasn't working. But the Twitch viewers can back me up. Actually, I can also go backwards here. Wait, here, let me show you what was happening. Look, I tried to go live and it didn't do anything. Look, the button doesn't work. It's just like, fuck you, no going live. Look, I tried to go live and I was like, why the fuck is the button black? I have to click this button to go live and it just wouldn't let me. They were like, I don't know why YouTube was like, no, we gotta keep this late joke going. Even though you literally weren't late, and also the joke fucking sucks. This is unfair. Anyways, hello everyone. Are we ready to do some bug killing? Some bug testing per se? How's the mod going? Mod's good. Oh yeah, okay, so um I'll just summarize what's happening for the people who are very confused. Yesterday we did like a bug testing stream and we found a few important bugs. And such as the thing where you get to equip like what is it, like fucking 19 gunslingers and shit. So, you know, that's fixed. Thankfully, I fixed that. So I'm gonna run the test again just to make sure everything is okay. I don't really want to send it and just do the full experiment after trying to fix such a important bug. Also, I messed up Spy Disguises a little bit because there were some bugs with it as well that came up. So I think it would be good just to like make sure everything's okay. Just play a little bit, do a second bug test, and then you know, have everything be nice and secure, you know? Yep. Yes, if you were here yesterday, you need to re-download from the document, which I will paste into chat now. Wait, wrong one. If it is, wait, what's my? I think I copied it into my clipboard, but I can't remember what else I put in there. Oh, I see. Okay, so it's like. Oh, it didn't update yet. I changed this to say anywhere on your desktop or anywhere on your computer because people didn't get what it means. All right. Did you change the atomic and wait? What do you mean? Why did you bring this up yesterday? What do you wait? Is there a new bug? This is like the worst time to tell me that there's a bug. What does that mean? What is the interaction or I don't know. I don't get what you mean. What are you talking about? Anyways, okay. I think I'm gonna. I feel like I don't remember hearing about this, but wait, hello? Hello, hello. Dude, the cat is like continuously talking. I don't know if my audio cable is fucked up. I hope not. That'd be fucking annoying. But I think it's okay now. Hold on, let me restart. It's actually really distracting. The cat is like always going off. Bro, chill. Okay, I think he's okay now. Did RJ reply? Do you want to tell us what the... Has he not? Dude, I'm gonna DM on Discord. Dude, can you tell us what the bug is? RJ, what is the atomizer beggars thing you're talking about? Hello? Please, I'm waiting for you. Please. Please, the entire server is waiting for you to say something. Would you like to like offer any degree of information about what you're talking about, please? Maybe if that suits your fancy. Alright, in the meantime, I'm gonna boot up the server and shit. I'm just gonna assume it's not that big of a deal because he's like refusing to talk about it. I don't know if I'm being rage baited. I don't feel like the vague post king. I don't feel like RJ is like a rage baiter guy. I honestly don't get what's happening. You can load the beggar's ammo up to blowing yourself up while invisible in atomic. Oh, you're talking about bonk. Why would you call it the atomic effect? Dude, okay, guys. Am I insane? When he says atomic, you assume he's talking about like the what's it called? The bat, right? The bat that lets you triple jump. That's what I default to because it's called like the atomizer. Yeah. Why would you not call it the bonk or like who the hell calls it the atomic effect? Yeah, I'm gonna. All right, fuck it. The stream's already off to a terrible start. I'm so fucking thrown off. Dude, I've never heard that in my fucking life. I've played this game for like 2 decades. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna boot up the server. What the fuck? Bro. Oh, actually, wait, I remember one more thing. We need to update our map cycle because it's kind of small. Actually, we should just do it now. I'm gonna join the server first though. Hold on, let me secure my slot. I feel like that's pretty important. Alright, let me load in. Bonk is called the Bonk Atomic Punch. Like, yeah, I get why he did it, but I'm also still going to, like, hang him on the cross. Alright, everything seems fine. Alright, I'm gonna alt tab for a sec. Because we should... So I looked into... We were trying to test this yesterday as well. How stock TF2 manages the map cycle when it's like unattended. And it just, I think like, I don't want to fuck with trying to get it to do the voting stuff or whatever. I'm just gonna make it pick a random map from this list. And just like play it, you know? And that's what I also changed this morning. I made it so that the server picks a random map at the end of each map. And we'll just do that, you know? So... Do we have any other maps we'd like to put in the server? These are all of the maps. Please read them first before giving me a map name. Oh, actually, there's one thing I wanted to check. I wanted to see if there's any other 5 CP maps that are interesting to put into the game or the map cycle, because I thought what was the one that we played? We played Process, which was like pretty fun. So I feel like 5 CP might be kind of sick for this game, like for this stupid mod we're doing, you know? Wait, are you shitting me? Is there no map list on the control points page? Fucking god. Is it because I have to search for redirected from control? Is there this fucking god? Okay, can I search for 5 CP then? Okay. Here's the list. Is Codefront a good map? I don't think Actually, Coldfront might be okay. You know what? I'm kind of down to throw it in. CP Coldfront. 2-4. I'm gonna avoid maps that aren't actually like fun to play. Also, no pastime or manpower. I don't know how this keeps coming up. Wait, Fast Lane would actually genuinely be good. And then what else do we have? Foundry? Is Foundry good? I guess Foundry could be okay. I'll throw it in. Freaky Fair is V-script. Wait, there's so many 5 CP maps are actually pretty decent. You can throw in Freight, you can throw in Granary. Gully Wash. Gully Wash seems like it would stalemate in like a pub setting. I'm not sure about that one. Did we throw in Snake Water already? Okay, let's throw in Snake Water. CP Well. No, that is a good call. Here, throw in CP Well. And I think we can probably do Yukon as well. Okay, I think that's good for 5 CP maps. Is there other? I guess actually I should just look at the map list. I don't know if I like trust you guys anymore. Actually, we can put in some AD maps as well. Here, I'll throw in Altitude. We can put in Brew. What else do we have? Fucking CP Egypt. I hate Brew. Brew's so chill. It's so hard to hate. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna check on the payload maps. We require Powerhouse? Dude, usually the third map added. Like... Alright, let's see if we missed any... Is Borneo popular? I feel like I hear people ask about Borneo so often. That's one Odyssey. Dude, the crazy thing is that I don't feel like Borneo is that... Like... I feel like Borneo stalemates like so often. I'm kind of surprised people like it. Alright. Is there anything else that's good? Actually, Cash Rex would be pretty good. Borneo is one of the worst. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. I feel like the opinions on it are like really polarizing. Every time I played it, it's like teams struggle to push the first point constantly. So that's how I think it might be jank because it's V-script. I kind of don't want to risk it. Let me see if there's anything else that would be a miss to... Oh, we should put in Hoodoo. Hoodoo would be fun. Snowy Coast. Dude, I haven't played this in so long. Snowy Coast I think would be okay. I'm glad I looked at the map list. All of the recent suggestions since I've last looked at chat are just like, yeah, we should play Woodville, man. We should play 2-4, which I've rejected like 5 times now. I eat shit on a bike. How are you? Are you okay? I guess you're probably okay if you're like collected enough to make jokes about it. Okay, I think I'm satisfied. I think we can move on. This is like 33 maps. I think this is probably good enough. Alright, I'm gonna send it. Swiftwater's already in. Alright, let me upload the map cycle to the server and then we'll be good. Oh, wait, fuck. I also need to turn off the voting stuff. due to inactivity, did I lose a slot on my own server? Okay, I guess I'll just restart it then. Shit. I forgot about this. I should have whitelisted myself. Fuck. Alright, whatever. Let me sort out this like vote issue thing. Drop IP. It's like SDR. It's gonna keep changing. I can't like give an IP. You have to just click this and then look for my server. Okay, I don't know if extend level is... I don't think there's any point voting for this, because we set max rounds to 2. So we should set this to 0. Okay, hold on. Let me open up the server config. Okay, so we set this to 0. Alright, what else do we need to change? I think scrambling is fine. Okay, I'll disable next level. Change level is not allowed. Okay, I think that's probably fine. Alright, let me update the server config. And then I think I can restart the server so I can play. Or actually, wait, let me see if someone like decided to leave since I last checked. Nope. Okay, fine. Alright, I'm booting everyone. Goodbye. Oh, fuck, wait, I need to... Also, for people asking, there's no connect. Dude, I literally just said it. You must have like just joined. I can't give IP because SDR changes it constantly. There's no like singular IP. Alright, okay, I think I'll wait for people to join and then we'll play. We'll play a few maps and then hopefully we're done bug testing. Everything is chill. Oh no, I forgot to change my fucking audio device. That's why it's all quiet. Hold on, is this gonna work? I don't think it will. I have to restart TF2, I think. Fuck, I'm such a fucking chungus. Hold on, let me turn this up. Can I... Fuck! God damn, I might have to kick everyone again. I'm sorry. SND restart, does that work even if you change audio devices? Fuck, it's too late. Alright, it's okay, I'll rejoin really quick. Alright, nice. Yes? Okay, I'll remember to next time. Alright, it's fine, I made it back in. Apparently, using the server browser is too hard because people didn't even fill the server yet. Hello? Wait, what happened? Is the server broken? Fail after 4 attempts. The server might have crashed, but I don't know why it would. No, it's still fine. Wait, so what's the problem? Oh, is that why the server isn't full yet? Because it's like... Okay, I don't even know how to fix this. It's like some Steam SDR thing. Yeah, everyone's having issues. It's saying it's like not accepting like an incoming connection or something. Alright, I need to restart the thing again. Jesus Christ. Let me restart again. That's annoying. Alright, this time for real though. Alright, I think we're finally good. I can hear things as well. Alright, excellent. I managed to sort out my shit. Hello, Chalito. Is the server up? Yeah, it's up now. Alright. Oh my god, did it do the SDR thing again? We're stuck on 20 players. we need our last, like, 8 players. Or 4, sorry. Peer act our routes for... Does anyone happen to host on SDR? Who has, like, any idea what it is? Or what this is? I've never... We played this yesterday, it was like completely fine. I'm not sure why it breaks today. Okay, whatever. Let me try change map and see if that also, like, unstocks it a bit or something. Change level... what do we play? Let's just go to 5 Gorge.
The server knows of your crimes against chatters.
There are no crimes. You can't name any of them. Yo, how's it going? It's going. It's okay. Alright, I'm kind of tempted to keep going down the road I was on with like the Airstrike Islander strat. Whoops, wrong one. I didn't mean to pick that one. Dude, we're still stuck on 20 players. This is so awkward. I wonder if it's because it's like too many people are joining at once or something. Anyways, I don't have any idea how to fix this. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna wait and hope that it'll like eventually fix itself. Such a strange bug. I wonder if there's like... Yeah, I don't know. May I ask what's the IP? Okay, I'm gonna add it to the document. I cannot give you a IP because the server runs on Steam SDR, which will periodically randomly change IP address. So there isn't a set one to give out. Just check the server browser. Alright, did we... Dude, one person left. Is there... Does anyone happen... I love what you do, sadly I'm from Europe. Okay. I wonder if there's like a SDR like restart command or something. Like I don't understand if there's something we can do to fix this. But I don't think I know. Like I swapped to our team. The annoying thing is that it's like a problem on like SDR's end, so it's not like I can just like do something on the server to like the actual server to fix it. And also like accepted like 10 people joining. Like I don't really know. Maybe it thinks that we are like DDoSing Steam because so many people try to join at once. I was able to join before you changed the settings the first time. I didn't change any settings that mattered though. All the things that I changed were stuff like, what's it called? Were stuff like voting stuff, you know? It's like completely benign. I think like we have to just wait for it to time out or something. Maybe what I would do in the future is like put a password on the server and then I'll tell people verbally. And then only the smart people know and will like actually listen. And then it'll like... Actually, should we just try it now? Because it's kind of annoying. It does kind of bother me that we're not on like a full server. It feels like slightly off. Oh, you know what I'm going to try? I'm going to test my theory. I guess this could be kind of useful. Because this might happen during real testing. So we have like an idea of what might fix it. Alright, I'm going to try it. I'm gonna close the server, everyone. Again. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna run it again. The server crashed? Dude, it's crazy that you're in the stream, but then, like, anything I say, you just completely ignore it. I literally told you I'm restarting to try and fix the thing. Maybe the problem is that I need to set up an AI that will, like, transcribe what I'm saying into like, very large red letters so people actually, like, pay attention to what I'm saying. Okay. The password is poop1. Let's see if this fixes Steam. I think it might be people like joining too fast and it's mad. Maybe. Connection closing. Okay, wait, never mind. That guy joined. We need live caption with effects. We need like the TikTok, like the. This is why people do the YouTube short shit with like, the square behind like the subtitles that like advances like it's a fucking karaoke song or some shit, and like the words like slowly come up and then it has like animated effects. How many people managed to figure it out? Okay, we have 16 people. The password is poop1 with like the number. There's no its connection still fails. Hold on, let me see if it saves that on console. Oh yeah, it's still doing that. Dude, this is so lame. Maybe I just run this without SDR. Dude, this is so stupid. This is like the one time SDR fails. I ran like peak weapons with like absolutely no problems. And we also did it yesterday and it's completely fine. Why is Steam so random? So people can't join, right? Oh my god, dude. The problem is that I might need to like port forward or something. I need to like adjust the server filters or something. I can't see the server today. The server is... We're literally trying to diagnose network issues right now. Hold on, let me... It worked for me this time? Wow. Wowie. Let me try change the server port. And see if this fixes it. Oh my god, I made a mistake. I pressed the wrong button. Okay, I'm closing the server again. I'm gonna try change the server port, but leave it behind SDR, and I'm gonna see if that does anything. That may be a problem. It could be Steam. SDR can go down for maintenance. People are, like, there's like half the server can join though. It'll be like 16 or like 20 people can join, and then it like stops trying. Do you have any idea if like that can be fixed, or what do you think? Wait, it's not even like loading me. What the connection fail after did it break? Oh, let me try again. Or generally, is there any debugging things, Brain Dog, or do I just host it like raw, you know? Dude, is it even... Dude, it's not even accepting any it's not even gonna accept one connection. That's so fucked up. Okay, fuck this, man. I give up. I'm gonna try running without SDR and see... Hopefully it's okay. There's like a very specific reason I wanted to host it with SDR, but it's fucking too much of a pain in the ass, apparently. Is the old IP showing in the browser? I don't remember the full message, Brain Dog, but it was... The console was, like, getting mad about, like... It was saying, like, connections were being hacked or something like that. Like, it was saying something like revision... I don't know if you've seen that message before. TiVo, to know what I'm talking about. You want me to try run it broken so you can see what it says? I don't know if we... I don't know if it's worth doing this, though. Do you think there's a chance we can even debug it for me to try run it again with it and it's broken? I can paste you the exact like console error. Is this a new version? Yes, if you played yesterday to re-download, I fixed stuff. Hello, Brain Dog? Where did he go? Alright, fuck it, he's not replying. I'm gonna move on with my life. Alright. Hello? Do you want me to try run the server again as its broken state, if you think you can debug it? If you don't think there's much of a chance, the server browser is slow to update SDR. The server is like I'm like completely restarting the dedicated server though. So like the IP wouldn't have changed. Like it's not gonna change the IP like the a second after initial launch, right? It only does it after like 6 hours or something, doesn't it? You think like that's still a problem? No, but then also even then, the console wouldn't be spewing errors. It would be like, it would just be quiet, but it was saying like, oh, we couldn't accept this connection or something. It changes IPs every restart. No, I'm aware of that. But I'm trying to join from the server browser. Okay, dude, okay, I'm just gonna run the thing. Okay, it's gonna be broken. Everyone calm down. Please don't be mad. I'm just gonna run it again so I can just paste the errors to him. And you can see if he's any idea what it is. All right, the servers may be broken. All right, everyone, don't shit your pants. Will any bug testing happen today? Technically, we are bug testing right now. And before it works out, that's also what's gonna fucking happen, man. Alright, let's see if it breaks. You can't stop me from shitting myself? Damn. It'd be so funny if it works, dude. Yeah, the second we start observing it, like, fucking... like, changes... into like another like quantum fucking configuration. Okay, it's happening. It's doing the bug. Let me screenshot this and send it to him. Are there plans to run this? No. Dude, I'm scared to even try this with more than 24 players. I think it's gonna break the server. Like, I'm not... There's, like, very little chance I'm doing it. Yeah, do you see, Braindog? I pasted the output to you. It's like complaining about, like, pure act or routes or some shit. I have no fucking idea what it even means. Yeah, but it is broken again. Okay. I'm gonna wait and see if Braindog... Wait, why is the wait, the server's nearly full. It's missing 2 slots. Or 2 players. We're like so close. Oh my god, man. This is so stupid. I guess on the bright side, it's good that it happened today. Instead of like when we're doing the thing for real. I guess like I'm trying so hard to be like not completely miserable. I guess like on the bright side, this is good because it's not happening when we're doing the thing for real. And we get to like try to fix this now. So whatever. Oh, I forgot to add my hit sounds as well. Okay, this is good. Now I can add my hit sounds. Now I have a time and an excuse to add my hit sounds. Great. Hell yes. Let's see. Let me copy in my custom folders. Hit sounds. Copy, paste. Alright, awesome. Good, yes, this is awesome. Everything's going so well. Okay, the results have came back. Braindog says he has no idea what's happening. He's never seen this before. We're gonna have to just go fuck ourselves. Alright, let me restart my own TF2 as well, so I get the... Oh, wait, I just realized I can SND restart as well. Okay, oh well. I already closed my TF2. Okay, let me try run this of no SDR. Let me make sure that launch commands are fine. Alright, I need to pre-type this so I can get in quickly. Alright. Hopefully this is okay. I don't think I tried running it like this. Okay, actually oh my god, I might have to adjust the filter, the firewall. It's not even accepting connections. What did I break? Here, I'll send you the thing if you think you can fix it. But the guy who runs SDR servers a lot says he has never seen it before. So I don't know how likely you'll have any actual input. Let me check what port it's even running on. Yeah, it's not even... Fuck. I thought I fucking forwarded this in the filter. Okay, the server is super broken. Why is it not even... Is it not even... Do I not even have this thing? Oh, that's why. Yeah, the filter isn't forwarded. Okay. Okay, I adjusted the firewall. Hopefully it updates soon. But it might also take a long time. How did it break this back between versions? It's not anything I did, it's because basically like Steam SDR is randomly decided to like start refusing connections. So then now I'm trying to run the server just like without SDR. But like that's not my fault. That's like Steam just being unpredictable and just, you know, crazy. Guys, you can stop trying to... Guys, I am aware of what the problem is. Everyone can calm down. Maybe I'll only read Twitch chat, because YouTube chat, like... I don't know. I don't... Look, I'm trying really hard not to be an asshole. But like, I feel like I've said like multiple times what's going on. And like I'm trying so hard to make sure people understand what's happening, but then like people keep insisting on just being like, guys, just show the server is broken in all caps. Like, can we all calm down, please? Sorry, we're doing our best. It's fine. I'm just gonna ignore people and just chill. Just try to vibe. What you're saying is Valve? Yes, basically. I don't know. Someone, Braindog runs like a potato servers, and I think he uses SDR, or it seems to be what he does, and then he said he's never seen the errors I was seeing before, so I think we're just gonna try to run it like off, you know? But I'm just waiting for the firewall to fucking update. This is also not in my hands. I just wait for the fucking firewall to update because it takes time to propagate. I also wonder if I need to change anything else. I don't think so. Put a giant banner across the screen. I don't know, man. If you guys start... It is what it is, man. I don't... Alright, what can we do in the meantime? Peak? I don't think it's gonna take that long. Gamble? Okay, sure, we'll run the cat spinner. This is the first time I used No, I've used it, like, for the entire peak weapons experiment, and then, 2 days ago and yesterday. It was, like, completely fine. This is, like, the first time I've ever seen this issue. Why is it always the robot? I keep re-rolling it. Dude, I'm re-rolling it. Yeah, I've used it like I've never had this issue before. I've used it like constantly. It's always been okay. Okay, we asked. Dude, we try to ask someone who is like very like smart about source stuff, and they defaulted just saying like, hey, just ask. Just ask the Valve networking employee. We can now try to ask someone who was like knowledgeable about stuff. You know, it's like just talk to just ask the Valve employee. We have no idea what's wrong. It's off screen? Oh, it is. Well, I just fucking leaked everything. What did I actually leak? Hold on, let me check. I don't think anything is that crazy. Okay, yeah, it's fine. I just leaked my firewall rules, but I don't think it's that crazy. Oh, this stream fucking sucks. Daily doxing? Oh my god, man. We're playing on the dude. I read chat. Yes, I'm aware. I just don't want to join it because it's gonna break his. That guy's like low. That guy's like hosting on like a listen service. I want to fucking break his fucking router. Dude, this is so ass, man. The one time we need to. The annoying thing is that I've updated the firewall before and it's not been like this much of a shit fest. It's like the one time it's always whenever we need it, then it's like, oh yeah, let's just take 10 years to do anything. Make a frag movie tier list. Let me try restart the server and see if this makes it better. Maybe the firewall's already updated, but it's because I need to update or like restart the actual dedicated server. Okay, nope, I don't think it is. Man. Yes, we had a pretty good test yesterday. I mean, I won. Okay, what we could do is just SDR until the firewall rules propagate and we just play with like less than 24 players. And it doesn't really matter. And we'll just play on like a full server whenever it's ready. So it's like something. Okay, actually I think we should just do that. I'm gonna restart the thing again. God Christ. Just when I thought like I could possibly have a stream that doesn't like shit itself. Hope this time I'm part of the elite that can join. Yeah, you gotta pray to Gaben. Yeah, it's still doing the thing. It's still like there's only gonna be like 20 people who get to play. Alright, I don't care. This is we're gonna wait for the firewall rules to propagate. This is like a half thing, whatever. Okay, actually let me put up a thing on a thing. Okay. Well, wait, let me improve the thing. Okay. What the fuck? We lost already. Bro, can we just maybe I should stop talking for like I just stop talking for like 5 minutes and just try to like get back into like a zen state. Jesus, man. I love Steam. I love Valve software. Dude, I feel like this is such a story with Valve where it's like things mostly work and then they randomly like really shit themselves and it's just like the most like random ass fucking issue. It's because you didn't buy a Steam machine. Dude, I don't know if people can even buy the Steam machine. It's like on a waitlist or something, isn't it? Also, can all the cool people, you guys can also join the Twitch chat. The YouTube chat has just been lost to people who like can't follow instructions. I'm just gonna read Twitch chat. Of all the tested, which one's the strongest? Well, we're only bug testing, so I'm not trying to... I also don't want to bias people about, like, what's good and bad, you know? Like... I want people to, like, organically figure out what's, like, good and bad. There's, like, some builds I want to try when... I, like, do the experiment, quote-unquote, for real later, you know? But, yeah, I don't wanna like influence people. I wanna just let it happen, you know? I wanna let science play out without like a thumb on the scale, you know? But yeah, also like, so I'm not trying to like counter like problematic builds or whatever right now. Like I want to also let all that happen, you know, when we're doing it for real. Show hates and despises YouTube viewers. I feel like I've been pretty like clear about what's happening, but there's just nothing I can do if people don't like hear me, you know? I also put up the massive red banner, and if people are still like asking questions, then like I don't know, man. This is like the end of what I feel like is my responsibility. We understand you hate us deeply, yeah. Yeah, if you have a certain meta, it limits what you can test. I mean, also, it's like, I'm not trying to pretend like I'm super important, but like, I've like talked about some like minor things on stream, and then like I see people literally go and do it. Which is not like bad. It's like, it's fine for me to have like inspired some people to want to try some stuff, but you know, I also just don't want to change anything, you know? Or I don't want to, like, bias people. Have you tried using Pyro as your base class? I don't think anyone is doing anything bad enough with fire for me to want to do that, you know? Like, I don't think... at least so far, I don't think fire has been that big of a deal. I'm also alt-tabbing, like, randomly to try and, Oh, you know what I should do? I should run both at the same time. So then we know if the other servers work, like when it works, right? I might have to restart the current one we're on though. Yes, do that. You want another role at getting to join? Let me see if I can... Let me see what happens if I try to run the non-SDR server. It might like bump the ports. So I need to restart both servers. Let me see what happens if I do this. I think it'll bump ports because the other one is like preserving the same one. Yeah, it did. Okay, I need to restart again. I'm sorry, everyone. Well, I mean, it's a test stream. I don't... Well... Alright, let me run this, and then I'll run this one. Sigh. Dude, it's crazy how long it takes for a firewall to change. Maybe it's good for Help Scout for speed, men and power between. NG Spy, yeah. Have you tried... I mean, someone's probably gonna try it. I might also eventually do it, but I'm just bug testing. I'm not trying to find all the coolest fucking loadouts. Like, right now, I'm just... Dude, How I don't know if I can like also make this in a way that doesn't like I don't know how we can even like I should make it go across the whole screen so then it doesn't take up so much space. Like I'm having trouble even like okay, where does it end? Wait, why is it like cutting off like this? Okay, whatever, good enough. We got raided? This is the worst time to raid. My shit's not working, bro. But it's a bug testing stream, so I don't know, man. I gotta also check. How do I even try to check this? Like here? No. I gotta like randomly check if it will work. Server not responding. Change the font. Put another at the bottom. Now we're just being assholes, so people can't even see any of the HUD elements. Like people have no idea what's happening with the game. Make the red text rainbow. The annoying thing is that that's not actually very easy to do. At least with like default OBS. Like you'd have to download like a specific plugin to do it, I think. I don't know, it's kind of weird that OBS doesn't let you animate the thing, but I guess it would be making a bunch of like draw calls or something, and they don't like it. Make it move like the DVD screen, guys. This isn't Doug. I don't have like 100 Python scripts set up ready to go to like do all of the most random fucking like one-off jokes. Unfortunately, I'm not a real streamer, so this is not. We're not that kind of stream. Make it the stupid fire font that was popular in 2010. I don't have it. But I respect that you think I'm cool enough to have that font downloaded, ready to go. Alright. Can we at least win as well? I don't understand how the matches have been so fucking, like, awful as well. This is... Dude, please. Okay, he let me live, thank you. Dude, we're also getting steamrolled. Is it because I need to carry my team? I need to, like, just stop reading chat and, like, anything. Please. Hardcore video in place of crosshair. Dude, there's been times where... Dude, there's a time where I was, like, frustrated enough with stream chat to, like, put something literally in the middle of the screen. People still wouldn't read it. It's actually crazy. How? Didn't we just cap second? How do we lose already? What the fuck? Alright, that's it. I'm activating my ultimate move. Do you know why the firewall rules have to wait to update? It's like... It's because there's like a bunch of upstream systems that has to... It has to propagate to all of them, and they're not in, you know, like the things control, and they also don't want to update constantly, they like cache it or whatever. So, I don't know, it's like something like that. Bro, can you update already? Oh my fucking god. We're actually just in like a hell, like a purgatory hell. Should I just end the stream and just come back when it's fixed? Like, I don't know if actually waiting on stream is like actually any better. Maybe ending stream is just better because it's also better for my mental health, you know? We'll just come back when it's all fixed. Fuck it, man.
Alert. The control point is being captured.
Oh, I'm on blue team. I wanted to commit friendly fire. Without he had 2 shields. He died and 2 shields fucking exploded out of him. Shortly after you end the stream, the firewall update, just watch. I know it will too, which will be the super duper annoying thing. Which is also why I'm not actually doing it. I feel like it's gonna update like any second now. Dude, like I've updated it in the past and I feel like it wasn't like that bad. DA, can you stop asking me about the thing? I already told you what's gonna happen. Like, you already have it explained. Dude, you ever trying their best to screw show over? Yeah, I don't know. It's very confusing. I wonder if they changed something. Maybe it's because I'm fucking doing this shit and they're like, oh, our Steam servers are under too much network load. Fucking throttle it. The confusing thing is that I've run it in this exact same way, like 10, 20 times. Like, I've done it so many times. It's like actually so fucking crazy that we just find a new bug today. You know? I feel like I need to try and convey how bewildering it is that we're even running into an issue today. Did you double check that you actually updated the firewall? The firewall acknowledges that the rule was added and there's like a funny clock icon next to it saying, hey, we're waiting in pending propagation. I would be very surprised if it actually isn't doing it. Maybe there's a button you're not pressing, that's right. Alright, well, on the bright side, at least after the scramble, we're not, like, instantly losing. The fuck was that screen shake? What is he even using? He's, like, on scout? He's, like, doing something with the cleaver? Dude, is he... Okay. I was gonna be like, I don't know if he's gonna accomplish much with the Fist of Steel, but I guess my other teammate could just ignore him, and then also, like, he rolls a random crit. Flogged high turner booties on Scout's probably gonna be meta. You can't hit you unless you get lucky. Maybe you're right, we'll see. Dude, people also, it's so... Dude, this engineer took like 100 hits to kill. It's kind of crazy how like randomly people would just be unkillable. Dude, I also keep dying. I also keep fucking wasting all my heads, man. Alright. What other settings can we change? How do you change like the font size? Select font. It's already at 256. I actually can make it bigger. Alright, let's try this then. Green is way more noticeable. Bro, it's a massive fucking red bar over the screen, man. Like, has society really fallen this far? Or is it fucking done yet? Dude, okay. I'm just gonna play some music. I'm just gonna try my best to vibe while we wait. Oh my god, my fucking music player doesn't work. This is not just nothing works. It's because of like the fucking... What's it called? Because I keep changing my sound device and it keeps like... It isn't... I don't know why this music player doesn't have like a default option thing. Is it just primary sound driver? Maybe this works. Talk to chat? Listen, I tried. That's all I can say. I tried. Have you had much luck with the airstrike? I mean, I think I'm kind of just playing it because it's mildly entertaining to me and I'm kind of just doing it for fun. Like, this is just like a decently fun loadout to play. Now, I also am like kind of curious about how well it can do. And it's like, it kind of tickles like the gambler in me because it's like, what if I can hold my 8 heads and just be powerful, you know? I keep wanting to gamble and try and see if I can like pull it off, you know? Where do you report bugs? What bug did you find? I'm gonna try switch off. No, I don't. We're bug testing for one. We're not like actually doing the experiment. I'm also just trying. I'm just waiting, man. I'm just trying to like have fun and like not like get super like annoyed and just like enjoy my life right now. I'm just waiting for the firewall to fix. There's a spy bug. Would you like to tell me what it is? Actually, you can sure DM me on Discord and I'll read it. Did it not fix? Apply. Where's my team? They all died. Nice. If you start healing while the skies... Okay, that doesn't fucking matter. I don't care. The boots might be attribute stacking. I don't think that's how it works, man. It says faster move speed on wearer. With the shield requirement, it doesn't say anything about stacking. Is there secret mechanics to the booties?
The control point is being captured. The control point is being contested.
My loadout is charge and charge. And you're going a speed cap? Are you sure? Speed cap is like 5k, man. It might be... I don't know. Hold on, let me try. Let me just see what happens. Oh my god, it's done. Wait, is it open now? Server not responding. It's still broken? Fuck my ass, man. Hold on, I want to see what you're talking about first, and I'll do the firewall thing. Okay, you're saying if you're charging charge, booties, and grenade launcher, you're going at speed cap. Are you sure? Are you sure you just didn't... I mean, I can't even reproduce this. Like, this is fine. This is normal. I think what's more likely is that you changed your loadout while you were doing something else. While you had, like, speed or something. I guess I'll like write a note. Maybe we need to like check for like the speed isn't updating in time or something. But I don't know what you're talking about, man. Alright, can I join the server, please? I don't think it's working, is it? So I I'm sorry, man. I didn't realize you guys would try to join my offline server. My god, please. Why does everything have to break? I don't think this is gonna work though. Fuck, what's the other issue? Why is it not working? Yeah, it's not. Okay, dude, I don't even know what's wrong with it anymore. Let me try and see if I can use a port that's already open. That I've used for something else before. But I think I tried this before and it wouldn't, like... it wouldn't work. Okay, couldn't... okay. Dude, I don't understand why it's still broken. Dude, I'm literally defining all the firewall stuff the same way I've defined it for anything else. Like, what the fuck? I don't know, man. We've been defeated by, like, Steam today. I have no fucking idea what's wrong. Like, honestly. Ah. Yeah, I don't know, man. Everything looks right. I have no idea how this could be broken anymore. I think, like, I just have to end stream. I don't know. I actually don't know what to do, man. I have the firewall. I have all of the firewall rules set up as I do it like any other server. And, I don't know. It doesn't want to fucking do any. It doesn't like, you just can't connect to it. But, like, Everything in the server console is correct. Oh, public IP is correct, and like literally everything else. I don't know what's wrong with that anymore. I have no idea, man. Find a Valve contact? That's like one of the last things you can do, man. That's a crazy moonshot, man. Um. Let me try and check the. Let me try and check and see if there's anything in the contact I need to change. I think it's possible that technically, like, the firewall stuff is still an issue. Like, it hasn't fully propagated, I guess. Fucking god. Let me see. Let me see if it's. Let me check the Windows firewall. It might also be this. It's probably this. Maybe. Did I stop using my custom? No, it's because this mod fucks up the HUD stuff a lot. Or like it, I don't know, it's not gonna work well. And it doesn't matter, I'm just gonna use the default HUD, it's not, I'm not gonna die. You know? Hold on, I'm trying to fix the server, like I can't read chat right now. I just want to fix this so we can actually like play and do things. Is anyone here familiar with like Windows firewall stuff? If I just should I just whitelist the dedicated server exe, or do I need to specify a port thing? Like it should be fine, right? To just like allow the exe? Yeah. I'm gonna try it then, let's see. I think I've also done it before. Because it like defaulted to the folder I needed to go into. I probably have already added this before. Yeah, wait, I already added this exact fucking thing. Now I've like duplicated the rule. So it's really unlikely it's the problem of this. Dude, for fuck's sakes, man. There's just, this is broken then. I can't fix it. I actually can, I have no idea what's wrong, man. You need specific port too? It doesn't ask you to though, what do you mean? When I select new rule, it's saying like program, or I guess actually you need to open the ports entirely. Okay, let me try it. Okay. Let me try to restart the server. I don't think it's gonna work. It's not working. Wait, it works! Oh my fucking god. I don't even know what to say, man. I'm just glad it's like, well, is it? Okay. Awesome Windows moment. I don't know what to say. I'm just happy at least it's okay. I guess we'll see if, I need to change level actually. Okay. I'm just gonna take it for what it is. I have nothing else to say. I'm gonna try my best not to jinx it. Also, thank you for, I forgot who said you also need to open the ports, but thank you. I don't know, I feel like to me, I would have just assumed that, what's it called? I would have just assumed that opening the, sorry, like whitelisting the EXE is enough. It's kind of crazy how you have to do both. I mean, I guess that kind of makes sense, I don't know. What the fuck do I know?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, is the server full? Are we good? Status. 24 humans, okay. Finally. Alright, let me fucking, like, chill out. Dude, okay, I'll be real for a second. Like, tech issues, like, annoy me so much, you know? Wait, did I not ever pin the thing? Wait, where's the pinned message? Chat, is it just me, or is there no pinned message in YouTube chat anymore? Did it break? Guess I have to do it again. What the hell happened? Is that why everyone was so confused about what to do? I guess it's fine because it was broken. Replace pinned message, so it's just me. It is pinned? Okay. File management is ADXC port people outside. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. I am just a noob. Okay, alright, let's fucking play the game, finally, Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'll be real, like, the fucking, like, tech issues are so annoying. Like, I try so hard to make sure all the tech stuff is, like, ready and prepared before anything, and, like, unexpected tech stuff breaking, like, is so tilting. But, yeah. Alright. Perseverance wins the day again. Yippee. Whatever. Let's just enjoy the video game. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to just check and make sure. You sound so defeated, dude. Because I was literally like everything was completely correct. Like there's nothing else that could be wrong. It's just magic fairy dust that was broken, you know. Okay, but we're testing for bugs. We're checking to see if there's anything else wrong with like how items interact and whatever else, you know. That's the big thing we're checking for. I'm not trying to, you know, like explore the meta or like do anything right now. I'm kind of just having fun playing my stupid direct or my airstrike loadout, and I'm gonna see what happens. Also, we probably lost like 100 viewers doing all of that. Dude, chat is so slow now. Everything is like, maybe honestly, maybe this is a good thing because we shed at all of the annoying people. Like all of the kids of no patience are gone now, so we're free to enjoy our life now. Now it's all the okay, and now the police comes. All right, the fucking dude. If you did like a show stream drinking game, and you'll be fucking dead, you know. It's a Sunday. Why the fuck are people doing crime? Just relax at home. Stop criming today, please. Ow. Oh no. Dude, his charge is so long. To great attention span filter. Wait, okay, I'm actually curious. So how many people are watching on YouTube right now? I can't see it myself. If someone wouldn't mind telling me. I'm gonna guess we have like 100-ish, probably, right? 204? That's impressive, actually. Alright, anyways, I'm sorry to everyone for all the jank and waiting and whatever, but really I didn't change anything as far as how the server itself runs since like yesterday, and Steam decided to just like say fuck you, you know? So I had to go and try to run the server like a different way to set it up. I still have no idea why Steam decided to like be mad today, because I've also run it that exact way. It's been like 20 times before this. Like, I've never run into this issue ever. It's, like, truly bewildering, but whatever, man. Oh, that was actually a red scout out as a spy. Who's... Links to phone, I used to fix it at first. I wasn't finding the EXE. I don't know, if you write it up properly, I'll paste it in, but I don't know, man. The Linux people are like, it's like 5 people who need to play on Linux, but then they're like 100% of the bug reports, you know? If you want to write up like a better like instructions, then, you know, so like, you can DM on the Discord and I'll paste it. That's all I got. Alright, we are too weak. We need something more powerful. It's time to go back to medic. We need our sticky bomb launcher.
Our control point is being captured.
What happens if you use the base from an atomizer? Do you have a parachute and like the atomizer? We need to be so careful. Any second now, a hyper speed heavy could come around the corner. Oh wait, also my hit sounds are working. Hell yeah. I get my cool hit sounds. So I have to fucking have my ears bleed listening to the default TF2 ones. Okay, half their team is dead. That's surprising. It feels really empty. Like it's like I'm walking into like a setup, you know? Like I'm gonna get ambushed like any second now. Okay, but also other good news, I don't think any of the things that's actually my fault is going wrong. Like the server seems fine, like all the adjustments and fixes we didn't seem to you know, break. So yippee! Is self-sustained medic good? I think it's not bad. It really depends on like what's going on, you know? This is how guys, I'm not a medic. This is basically like a MOBA, you know? Where you're like, you have to come up with builds and you have to counter enemy builds. Also, we have no medics. Not a single person is going support. If we're calling medic as if anything's gonna happen, all we have are fake medics.
The control point is being contested.
9 damage. 12 damage. I wonder if I should try lock and load. I wonder if like I need like I need a lock and load. I'm basically playing like real demo man. I wonder if like lock and load would be better for like killing these heavies. Also, by the way, you guys can a lot of the questions you guys are asking I'm ignoring. It's in like the document, the big like info document. I think you guys should check it out. Being a medic to just self-sustain yourself is gonna peak. Yeah, because it's like you get the passive healing for free, right? Without having to sacrifice a player's slot. But you do sacrifice some of your health, but yeah, it's like a give and take, but you know. It could be good. Oh wait, are we gonna win? Wait, we can punish the evil heavy spammers. Fuck, I'm so close. What is my favorite loadout? I think The Airstrike Islander, when you get your heads and you get to like get rolling, seems crazy. That seems pretty fun.
The control point is being
But I don't think it's the best, and I don't think it's even like a tier 2. Like it's probably gonna slide down the meta like very fast. As people like explore and like figure out what's good more, you know. I also enjoyed like stickies with like medic and like the shield, you know. Because you just survive more and you're getting like, you know, very powerful. But also not sure if that's like really the best you got or like the most powerful you can do, you know.
the control point is being captured.
And I'm also just basically playing demo man. You should try baby phase, bro. We called it out on like the first preview stream where I was just sitting around an item test. Like I'm very aware of what's going on. You don't have to. You're not gonna surprise me. Also, I think we're gonna lose. I feel like I should equip a second sticky. Like the double or like the lock and load just doesn't even help. I need my second sticky bomb launcher. Dude, are you serious? Are you saying the server list works now when like nothing changed? So you've just been complaining that like no one is running a server and you think your server list is bugged. What a fucking waste of time, man.
Alert. The control point is being contested.
I really hope you're... I don't know, man. Does bullet resist for fast heavy? I mean, technically we could vac.
Alert. The control point is being captured.
But, I think it would just take a bit of time for people to, explore things. I think there'll be, like, ways to counter it. I also have some ideas, but I don't want to do it yet. I want to wait for the real experiment. We need to lure the fast heavies into a false sense of security. You can stack your passives, it's fine. What? He didn't get hit? What happened? How did he dodge my stickies? I'm so confused. When it's a weird experiment, I made changes yesterday to fix some stuff. But they were a bit like, what's it called? It's a bit risky. And I basically wanted to like make sure everything was okay first, you know? So that's what we're doing today. If we don't find any more bugs today and we're basically set, then I'm probably gonna skip tomorrow and then stream the day after that. So it'll be like Tuesday. Dude, I corded myself by accident. Medic seems to be capped at 5 HP regen a second no matter what you stack on top. Oh. Okay, that is probably a bug then. Thank you for informing us. I'm pretty sure I really vividly remember having tried stacking the passives on like another class. There might be a medic only problem. That is also possible. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I've tried it on other, on like a few classes. I guess I forgot to, or I didn't think to try medic. Dude, why did this... Okay. What have we tried? Scramble teams? I mean, you guys could have called it. It's a bit late now. Was it difficult to get the first person animations to work? It wasn't too bad because I wasn't the one who made them. They were made by the VScript randomizer people, so they figured out basically like most of the things, and it's just like a... I basically also just like mirrored how they do it in like VScript, because at least like the general idea of like bone merging and like hiding arms and whatever. I still can't see the server on the server list. Oh yeah, I guess I could give people like a direct connect now, because we're not doing it through the Steam way. I guess I'll update this real quick. Alright, updated the GitHub doc. It should eventually give you the server IP. If you want it, but the server is full, so you're gonna get like server is full or yeah.
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
I'm shocked at how many loadouts are doable in ACall 1. I mean, the current one I have is impossible because duplicates weren't allowed as well. Like you couldn't what's it called? You can't have more than one of the same weapon. And other stuff.
Mission begins in 10 seconds.
What melee am I using? I can't show you, it's the shields. I guess you can see in the bottom right my full loadout. I just have a charge and charge for resistance. It's the kunai band? Oh, you renamed the weapon, that's why you couldn't find it. Yeah, that kind of probably tends to happen. Hold on, there is also actually one thing I want to write down. Sorry, I need to alt-tab for a second. I want to write something down before I forget. Okay, we're good. I'm tabbing back in. Oh, we haven't lost the first point since I alt-tabbed too. This is awesome. Actually, we're about to lose it. No, that's a spy. Wait, are we defending? Hold on, there's hope? A new hope? Never mind. Oh fuck, he's so fast. I couldn't even get my stickies in time. Die! Okay, we got him. We just had to use like 16 stickies. I don't know, double stickies is pretty fucking sick, man. You just... I also wonder if What's like a weapon to use here? Probably like the battalions, right? For like extra health. Cause I might switch to this because like the bullets aren't like resistant, which is not good. Kind of interesting that like there's like a blind spot in like. Wait, why can't I right click?
Point is being contested.
Oh, it got rebound. Oh, it's because I don't have a shield anymore, so I like shifted my stuff around. There's like a weak spot or like a blind spot in tier 2 weapons where it can't resist like bullets unless you're using like the vaccinator. That's like about like the only thing. My god, the Uberton. Please stop. He has a very scary glowy sword. How okay. I don't use cosmetic slots, my shit gets reset. I just don't feel like adding my shit again. What's even my loadout? I usually just don't wear anything, honestly. I'll just wear the hot dog on all of my classes. I don't like usually wear hats because people like will recognize me in like servers and shit, so I don't, you know. Yeah, I don't really have like a loadout. I don't even remember what I wear anymore. Alright, hold on. Stop distracting me. You're being paid off by the blue team. We're gonna lose. They're gonna cap our control point. Oh my god. I probably will make an effort to wear hats. Actually, I'll write this down. Wear hats. I'll make an effort to at least wear hats though, because I do think it looks weird in like actual video recordings when it looks like there's like a noob ass motherfucker just running around.
Control point is being captured.
What is the bug? Yeah, Meta can use the sticky launcher. You should definitely try this on casual. Insane bug found. I think like if I juggle my stickies like well, it's actually this might be like one of the better loadouts. Also, I didn't realize how unloaded my shit was. I shouldn't have died there. BFB HUD gets bugged when free or equipped and you take damage. Oh, interesting. Thank you for the bug report. Well, actually, what do you mean by bugged? Actually, I think I've tested that. Actually, I don't know. Okay, you're probably right, sorry. Sorry, I was like thinking about it too. Don't reset. I guess it should all reset, right? That's what I was thinking about. I wasn't sure what was supposed to happen. I'll investigate, but yeah, it's probably a bug, I think. My god, we defended. Holy shit. Some days due to the bug, some days due to windshield. How modern day poet. That's beautiful, man. The crazy thing about the BFB is that like you can't tell if they're using it, and it's like hard to kill them when they just like you can't really predict how fast they're gonna move at you, which is like kind of a problem.
Control point is being captured.
Oh my god, I nearly died. I got saved by the sentry gun. Holy shit. I think the big thing is that sentry guns seem really important. I think though, the speed heavy isn't as bad once you like recognize who's doing it. Like I can counter them better once I know that like they're even trying it, you know? Like part of the hard part was like even knowing what you're fighting against. Oh no. Dude, okay, he's not chasing me. He's still alive? Are we okay? Just trying to find a pretext to sticky spam? Bro, do you see how many Avengers level threats are on the screen? I need all this ammo, like actually. Being able to have like 16 stickies ready to go is actually crazy, you know? I also adapted to this because like the speed heavies were like, I needed more ammo to kill them, you know? I'm a follower of Charles Darwin. I'm evolving and surviving. Well, I'm dominating Ichi now. How the turntables? Dude, I just tried to... Dude, I saw that sentry gun and my like demo brain kicked in so hard. I thought I could switch to a lock and load and spam the sentry gun. But I have 2 stickies. Can you activate 2 Ubers at once? Well, you can only use one of them. The other one would be draining and being wasted. I don't know why you would do that. Would it be possible to make different sticky launchers to detonate only its own stickies? I don't know what you're trying to say, but it sounds like what you're saying is like what it already does. I feel like you haven't read the document. Why does Bounty have 2 customizable slots? Because it only has like a secondary and a melee weapon. Did you fix SDR? No, we're just running a server brawl. Dude, fuck my... Dude, I try to be a good Samaritan and like help my engineer and like eat the rockets to save his dispenser. Of course it's a fucking crit. God damn it, man. God. Fuck me for trying to be a good teammate. See, look, there's so many people. My second sticky, like, literally comes into play because I don't have time to reload my other one, you know? Having, like, 16 stickies is honestly crazy. I think 3 is when it starts to become, like, kind of unnecessary, you know? Like, you don't ever really need, like, 16 stickies. You don't need the 8 more after that. And you're better off, like, using it for utility, but... You know, it's like you're more capable of dealing with, like, big pop pushes and rushes, you know? You can't use Air Blast when you have shield. Have you read my document? You have, right? And you can tell me what, like, the first sentence in the document is?
Mission begins in 60 seconds.
God give its biggest crits to the strongest dispenser defenders. Yeah, the worst part is that, like, I didn't even eat that second rocket because the dispenser already went down, and I just ate the second rocket for nothing, trying to defend the dispenser. So that guy just got like 2 kills for free, and I'm just a fucking bozo.
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
New bug, can't read after clicking the link and pinned message. The crazy thing is that it's really step 0. It's like, I don't know how else to make people actually go and read it, like, before, you know, like, reporting a quote-unquote bug, you know? It's like just woeful ignorance at this point. The doc does not mention Air Blast, but it could be deduced. I feel like we need to move on to a different topic before I, like, piss people off. I'm gonna start saying things that I can't take back. I'm just gonna move on. I'm just gonna remind them to read the document, and we'll move on. Speed heavies make... I guess, okay, you're kind of... Yeah, I guess that's kind of true. Speed heavies break 5 CP. That is kind of true. I don't know, maybe the counters I'm thinking of will work in 5 CP though. I feel like the science needs to be done. Is there... Oh, I missed the health pack. Wait, am I gonna... Fuck. So close to surviving. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? I like strawberry. Like, that's a genuine answer. I don't... I realized how sarcastic it sounded after I said it. Yeah, I like strawberry. Secret bug reports catchphrase. Yeah, maybe we need to add that at the bottom of the document. Before you report a bug, you need to say, like, the code word to, like, prove that you actually read it. Wait, where's our team? I just realized we're all alive and I don't see any of them. Where are they? Where did they all, like... Dude, I have outlines on and I only see, like... Where are they? I just also realized my thing's off. Hold on, I need to add this to my config. Sorry, I need to alt-tab. I want to make sure I have this on, because it keeps, like, resetting. Alright, outline effect enable. Dude, I can see my teammates, and I don't even... There's, like, no one even anywhere. That's what I was about to say. I need to, like, find them and, like, follow them. So I don't die by myself, at least. Alright, is it time to push? What the fuck? I'm being flanked by a cow mangler medic. Help. I'm so scared. I'm running into walls. Alright, I think we should go to cap this. I'm just gonna sticky this off to help our team. No, how? Dude, I'm like... He's so fast. He's just so fast. I wonder if he's using something in like his third slot to go even faster. What did the chat colors mean? Oh yes, I'm already answered you. Yeah, red's YouTube, purple is like Twitch chatters. Fuck me for trying to read chat, man. Well, okay, to be fair, I shouldn't be doing that in the middle of nowhere and just out in the open, but... Okay, there's 1 minute left, I gotta lock in. We need to make sure we don't lose. We're gonna do even worse than their team. Dude, why? Okay, sure. Oh my god, thank god. Also, what are you guys talking about? I'm pretty sure that's a joke. I don't think that's a real Skyle server. Also, I don't think it's real because they're also not using the evil, like, symbols at the start of the... like, the server name. You can say the map favors red if you lose. Alright, I also gotta keep locking in because we only have 5 minutes. Hold on, I don't want my team to lose. I kinda wanna win this. Dude, please no. I can't keep dying to this guy. Alright, I survived. I survived the we have like a 12-second respite period. Before that guy comes back. I survived the crit bushwhacker event. My god, why is there- what the fuck was that? Why is there a clown car of 4 fucking scouts in that hole? What were they doing in there? What the fuck? Why didn't they come stop the point? Why is there a sentry gun there? Nothing makes sense. Injured of a Brass Beast, I sleep. Sentry gun in the fucking, like, bottom of the map? Alright, we got it. It's surreal see other classes hold... Yeah, the animations are hilarious. Hold on, I see him. I have a sentry gun this time, you can't get me. I'm safe. Fuck you, bushwhacker guy. Is there any real reason to use soldier? I mean, if you want like slightly more health or like whatever, you know. I mean, it really depends on what you're doing, but I could see like a viable reason. Oh, he fell off. Okay, he just dumped 100 rockets into me. I wonder if I should try like heavy. We can do like double sticky and I'll do like shield. Maybe we'll try, I don't know, I kind of do like the passive healing though. Let me try conch first. Oh my god, he's so slow. I don't know if this is, I don't know if the extra health is worth it. Oh boy. Alright, I gotta wait for the Girardi. I'm not gonna... No! Okay, okay, we're fine. We're fine. Why did I play this slow? Everyone is too dangerous. I can't play this like normal TF2 and like push too much. The double score shots on heavy is so mean. Wait, most of their team is dead. Guys, we need a cat. I think they're about to have a massive spawn wave though. Yeah, I think they're about to all spawn. Be careful. Oh, wait, I have 2 stickies on this launcher. Can I push this? We're about to cap, right? No, I think actually most of my team is dead. I don't think we're pushing anymore. I gotta back up. Damn, he's so... What the fuck? That's crazy he pushed me. I guess he thought that he thinks I'm really low. Dude, the problem is that he's quiet. He just... You can't even hear him coming, man. We need like a sound cue for like the scout with the bushwhacker creeping up, like a Left 4 Dead 2 zombie. Like the jingles they have. Heat-seeking scout. Maybe I should just stay up here where he can't get me. My god, that flog scout. You think he failed his jump like a noob? No, I felt it! Fuck! I was about to turn. Comically loud bonk sound effect when he shows up. Oh my god, he just stabbed that guy? I hope he didn't. I don't see him in the kill feed. I think that heavy might have survived. Demo feels like the actual least useful class in this mod because of Pyro. Oh yeah, actually that is true. There's not really a particular reason to use Demo, yeah. Because Pyro is basically Demo, but faster, and you get like the fire resist. What is his loadout? Okay, okay. I was supposed to say, I hope he's using something that actually like helps. Okay. See you later. No, please! I need to survive! What's happening? I wanted to jump over him. Alright, that works. Oh, there's a guy at spawn. Hello, Wang Yuxiang. This guy has his like full Chinese government name in his YouTube username. Alright, is it time to push? They have 4 players down. Oh, actually our team is kind of dead too. What's happening? Which sticky can I get? I just have like inert stickies laying around. Bro, please defend our teleporter. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, what the fuck is that creature? Okay, man. Well, if you kill all bicycles and all melt, you get kicked from the game. Your game crashes. And Valve censored that are telling you to be more careful next time. Can I go back here? Why am I pissed? Who's... I swear to God, I'm gonna get stream sniped. No one should know I'm here, right? Okay, hello Speed Heavy. Nice to see you. Oh, I didn't even know he was there. Get cheated on. He got accidentally blind that. The Henji is coming after me with his rocket launcher for breaking his sentry gun. He's taking revenge. That's so scary. Alright. Win? Oh my god, we did it. I sticky spammed our ass to victory. This loadout is valid. Okay, that was crazy though. No, Bunk is just a random. I was playing with Uncle. I was recording with Uncle Dane for something. That's where it's from. Honestly though, the map also really helped a lot. There was like a very convenient choke point to spam all my stickies. The lockouts on Scout is crazy. Oh, also I think this might be the last map for me today. Just because I don't think we're finding any more bugs. It seems about it, and we're good to like do a real thing. If there's any more bugs, it's like unnoticeable or like so small that people don't even like notice it, you know? At least like the big ticket and like the super big like crazy shit that people want to try doesn't have bugs, so we're probably okay. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream after this map, and then I will get everything set up to do this for real, which I think will be on Tuesday. And then yeah. Better defining loadout. Honestly, I think it's just because I am good at sticky spamming. Oh, someone saw it, but he pushed. What the fuck? I just get two crit stickies in a row. Oh wait, is that what happened? Wait, I should write that down. I found a new T-pokes bug. Mangler charge T-pose. Okay. Oh, whoops! I just fucked up my YouTube chat. Hold on. Okay. So I alt tab to write down the bug. Nice. Bug. Last bug found. Bro, nothing happens when you have free things, man. That's like something I explicitly tested. You can stop asking. It's all good, man. First person to use the Mangler all stream. People used the Mangler before this, but they didn't like charge, or I didn't notice it. Or I might have also broken it recently, but I don't think so. I didn't fuck with animation stuff recently. My bad. No, it's okay. Sorry. Dude, I don't know, man. This is why I feel like I shouldn't be like a real streamer. I don't think I'm cut out for it, you know? At least not like, you know, like super duper full time, like super professional or whatever, you know? I think like I don't know, man. I don't know if I have the temperament for it, you know? I'm like too, like, it annoys me too quickly. You know what I'm trying to say, you know? Like, I have a problem with people repeating things. And, I don't know, man. I can't help but start to get sassy when people ask me something, like, more than 3 times in a row. The secret's not to respond to everything. I know, that's what I do. I try to ignore stuff, but sometimes you just get rage baited, you know? Or, like, if you're low on sleep, you kind of just don't have, like, all your mental faculties above you. Or, like, yeah, like, abreast, you know? So it's called a scramble for blue team. It's okay, we love you. Thank you. Look, I'm sorry if I've been mean to you in like the past 2 days or whatever. I hope everyone understands. We like you, Sassy. I don't know. I just feel bad people are gonna be like, dude, fuck this guy. He's such a jackass. This is the map from Meet the Soldier, correct? Well done, you figured it out. Oh, wait, was the health pack already gone? Damn, someone got here faster than me. Steak sandwich still limits you to melee. If you have no melee, it just does nothing. But if you have more than one melee, then it lets you pick between which one you want to use. If you have more than one, you can't have more than one. I think you should just, sorry, you should go download the mod and then you can play around and click around in the loadout menu. These are things that you can find out from just like 1 second in the menu, you know? I really do not think like you need to wait for me to tell you. My computer is over there. Look, anyways, you can only have one cloak, and like engineer stuff is still engineer only, and like same with the spy stuff, so there's no like, oh, no, not everyone can build, and like not everyone can disguise. That's still only a spy thing, and spy can only have one watch, and only spy can have watch, okay? It's the mod only applies to the primary and secondary and melee slot. These mosquito heavies are frying me. I'm glad we also... There was a chance that I like coded it out of the mod. But I'm glad we kept it. Because I feel like also I'm gonna predict they're gonna be basically the main character of the meta. Like I feel like the story of this mod is gonna be like how people deal with the mosquito heavies, you know? They're gonna be like the centerpiece, or like the load bearing, or not load bearing, that's not the right word. There's definitely a fancy way to describe this. They're like the key like species kinda. Or like they're like the great filter for like a good or bad loadout. Where is this sentry gun? I keep getting hit by it, but I can't see it. My view models are too big. Oh, there it is. I'm scared. Oh god, the parachute is coming. I was gonna be like, he's gonna jump over this crate, isn't he? Imagine how fast Scout would be with the BFB. Dude, that's crazy, yeah. Man, that's just unbelievable. Truly inconceivable. Surprising lack of VAC? It's more like a lack of support classes. Like, no one is playing a support class. That's more the issue than anything. Like, people don't really wanna... People wanna do a funny thing themselves rather than like let other people do the funny thing and just watch, you know? Build your sentry gun, please! I'm dying! The Bushwhacker Mafia is after me. Oh god. Welp, please! Let me... Fuck! Okay, this is evil. You're just... If you're gonna... Oh my god, they're like pocketing the fast guy. Dude, stop the point. Oh no, we lost. Alright, is this it then? Are there any more rounds? I think this is it, right? Because we scrambled. No? Well, yeah, the game ended. Alright, I'm closing the server. I think we've done enough bug testing. Also, if you have any more bugs I didn't get to test or like report, then you can let me know in oh fuck, I keep pressing the wrong thing. Alright, I closed it properly now. You can report it on Discord or DM me. But otherwise, I think we're basically fine. So I'll see you all on like Tuesday. Which channel? Just do like TF2, I guess. It's honestly like most of them are fine as long as it's not like super duper out of place. I think I don't know. Yeah, send it to TF2. TF2 is fine. Here, I'll start the timer. I'll give you guys 5. Fuck, I pressed the wrong thing. Google timer. All right, here you go. Do a testing channel. I will probably also open like a TF2 like experiments chat. Because I'm probably gonna run it 24/7. So yeah, at least like for the experiment days. 5 minutes for what? When I end the stream. Yeah, 5 minutes to say anything. Otherwise, I'm gonna end it. Fast heavies are so buns to fight against. I think there's a way to counter them, and I'm gonna try it on Tuesday. Mosquito heavies you're on notice. Watch it. Your days of rain might be over soon, or whatever. Bushwhacker Buffalo BFB. Oh, that's how you're going so fast. Turns out today's biggest bug was the one that has nothing to do with the mod. Well, I mean, at least we fixed it. That's also a good outcome. At least everything is chill now, so whatever. Thank you everyone for watching though. I'm also sorry if the mood, like the vibes were off, but I was pretty frustrated trying to fix everything and whatever. I also hope if I said anything to you that was mean, you forgive me. But I hope everyone had fun, and I look forward to seeing how that beta and the experiments continue to develop. Scout booties, charging target, and the back scratcher. Why the back scratcher? Like you're gonna try to eat all the health packs? Didn't Stake give you speed? Can BFB pass speed cap? Yeah, you can go even faster. It'll all stack. Sniper has no cool passive, he's just a word scout. Yeah, Sniper and Demo as like bodies are the basically pointless options. But everyone else, even Soldier technically has a use. I love your videos and you explain things in a way I can understand, which is difficult to come by. I appreciate you and your stuff. Thanks, but I assumed you're talking about the older like code stuff. Yeah, I'm actually kind of curious. What do you feel about the newer stuff then, about like experiments and stuff? Not really explaining anything anymore these days. I guess actually you could also mean that like I unfold or like I explain the story in a way that you feel like you understand well. You know about the gunslinger bug, the one where mini sentry auto destructs every time we spawn? Oh, I didn't know that. Why is it doing that? What? Okay, that's a good bug report. Thank you. Gunslinger mini auto destroy. Okay, interesting. I didn't know that. Hold on, I'm also gonna just write this to the guy. I'm back. Oh, he's here. Okay, never mind. I wasn't sure how long the ads were gonna be. Friendly as freak. I just asked you how you felt about the experiment videos, because I'm not really explaining anything anymore these days. The only stuff I'm really explaining are like the code stuff that I used to make videos on, but nowadays I'm not really explaining anything. So I'm curious if you feel like what you said still applies. How come we can't chat in any server? Because I turned it off because I don't have moderation tools like I do on, you know, like normal TF2, because it's an SDK mod. Would you ever think of making a long-term TF2 mod and not just an experiment? That's not on me, that's on people. If I make a long-term TF2 mod, people aren't, like, it's not gonna sustain the player base, you know what I mean? And like, there's also kind of, well, actually, okay, the other thing is that there's no point, you know? Like, all I'm doing is just adding more cost to, like, myself having to run, like, a TF2 server, and I keep having to run more and more TF2 servers, you know? And there's also the cost of, like, moderating it, like, making sure it's okay and everything. I mean, I could run it as, like, a 1984 server, you just can't express yourself in any conceivable way. But you still have to bear the server cost. So the question is really just like, why? You know, it's like people aren't going to populate it, and I don't have a reason to do it myself. If it was like paid to even play it, like maybe there'd be kind of a point. But then even then, it's like, there's not gonna be enough people who want to pay to play a TF2 mod. So like, I don't know. I feel like you can answer this question yourself. It's just why. Top 10 cephalopods? I don't even know what that means. It's like some like bug classification thing. Yeah, like I never understood what clipping stairs meant. Oh, I see. Interesting. Servers don't need moderation. Interesting assertion. When you start posting non-TF2 content, there's a Portal video that I want to make that's coming up, and I want to experiment with doing other stuff. At the start of this year, I wanted to try and make non-TF2 stuff, but there were 2 TF2 videos that I really wanted to make sure that I made before I started doing them, so I don't get distracted and like sidetracked, you know? Which is the peak weapons video, and then this one that I still need to finish. So after this, I don't really have anything that I feel like I really should do in TF2 before I do other stuff, you know? Like, it was basically about like, okay, if I'm gonna stop making, like, if I hypothetically stop making TF2 videos, what's something I really, really want to make sure I make first before it's too late? And like, if I possibly never make a TF2 video again, you know? And this video and this strongest weapons one was the answer I came up with. So I want to do these first before I do a non-TF2 video, and possibly get like deep into a rabbit hole of doing that, you know? This year, I'm saying after I finish this video about this current experiment, I'm gonna do a non-TF2 video. Do you think I'm gonna take like, how many months do we have left in the year? Like, you think I'm gonna take like 5 months to finish this video? I don't understand what you're trying to say. What's your idea for variety content? I try not to over plan because I can get obsessive about making too many plans, but like, I have an idea for a Portal video and I have an idea for a Minecraft video, and I'm gonna see what happens after I make them. Well, I mean, I'm gonna see what happens after the Portal video, and if the Portal video goes like really bad, then I don't know, maybe I'll give up. Oh, actually no, there's also a Deadlock video I might make. It's Portal, possibly Deadlock, possibly a Minecraft video. What's the portal video gonna be? I already leaked it, but I kind of don't want to anymore. Just in case someone steals it, because I have like no ideas for non-TF2 things. Like I've made TF2 videos for like multiple years. I have like I have like an endless supply of ideas that I can draw into and just go. I have like very little ideas for non-TF2 things, so I don't want anyone to like steal it and fuck me over. I want to make sure I get to make them, so I'm sorry. If you want to try find the stream where I leaked it, that's you can try that, but I don't know if I'm gonna say it right now. Especially if it's like the next video. So I want to make sure I get to make it and like no one front runs me somehow, That'll be very, 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 very annoying and very bad. Who cares if someone else does it? Yours will be better. Look, I just don't want to invite problems. That's it. Are we gonna get anything like how to legally steal? I don't think so. Just because that kind of stuff is so saturated and so, like... I kind of just become another generic, like... I don't know, like, fun fact YouTuber, I feel like there's so many of them on YouTube. It's so saturated. It's like every... I mean, also, I personally am kind of tired of it myself. Like, I kind of don't even watch those kind of videos anymore. I'm so tired of people trying to tell me about, like, oh, did you know that, like, in the 1800s, like, this guy did this crazy, wacky thing, and then this happened? Like, I just don't give a shit anymore, man, I just want to... Yeah, I want to experiment. I want to try also do things that I think is, like, interesting and, novel and, like, different. At least, stuff that I think is, like, genuinely interesting, But yeah, I don't know. I think, like, talking about, like, oh, did you know that there's once upon a time, there's this weird court case that was really weird and strange. Like, I don't know. I just don't... I think it's, like, so generic and so boring. I'm kind of tired of, like, listening to people talk about, like, hey, did you know... this guy on the internet did this evil thing and there's drama and like whatever. It's just kind of boring. It's so overdone, it feels like. There's no such thing as new ideas, but it's nice to feel secure in one's originality. Yeah, I kind of want to at least make videos that I think is like quote-unquote authentic to my voice, I guess. I don't know if you guys can get what that means. Like, I just want to make things that I guess that's really it. I want to make things that I'm happy with. And basically, I think, like, doing that kind of stuff is getting boring on YouTube, so I want to try to do other stuff. Okay, I think that's about it, though. Alright. Good stream. Thank you everyone for coming and helping test and also sitting through the shitfest. That was me trying to fix the server. I hit the fade out. I will see you all on actually, do I need to do another testing stream? Let me check what bugs we have. No, I think it's fine. I think I can just run it. I'm gonna probably just quote-unquote start the experiment on Tuesday, so I'll see you all then. I mean, there's a chance I might get cold feet, but I think the bugs we have left are pretty chill, so I think it's okay. I think it'll be okay. Yep, okay. The world is fading around you. Oh, there it goes, it's black. Alright, goodbye everyone. Oh, actually, okay, I'll plug one last thing. You should join Discord so you can sign up for the alerts. You can get pinged for when I tell people that there's like a stream coming up, and you can also get pinged for when the stream actually... Wait, I didn't even ping the stream start today. Wait, I just realized. I didn't even do it. Wait, I forgot to. I pinged you guys twice yesterday. I forgot to even ping today. Alright, nice. Well, so that's why I would say you should go to Twitch and follow me on Twitch because I don't fuck up the Twitch thing because it alerts you no matter what, right? Yep. Okay. All right. Goodbye.